we trusted them and they did an amazing job. We were happy with everything from the design to the stone, the granite. Missy was wonderful to work with. Anytime we had a question, it was easily answered. We went through BuilderTrend. It was easy. If I had a question for Missy, as for plugs, for anything, John was magnificent with the carpentry. And another thing that was really nice is every once in a while, Casey would pop out. And that just went above and beyond to me. It just said a lot about the company. Just that he cared to stop and make sure everything was okay. We were satisfied. That was important.
Yeah, very detail-oriented, systematic approach, the way we went through it. Certainly made a remodel project kind of structured and easier to take on by all means for us.
I agree. Thank you. I love this. I love our new space, and we definitely would recommend Pittsburgh Best to anybody looking for any type of remodel. They really did a great job, and we're very pleased with the project.
Call 724-935-6000 for your free design consultation.